episode of the True Crafting Crew. Today we will be making an Easter basket, and I got these from the Dollar Tree. This is what they will look like. I made one for Bella and another one for Kai. We're about to make skies right now with this blue material and this halo for adhesive. This halo comes in a bunch of different colors. It comes in this purple kind of color, a pink, a green, and it's the glasses part of the basket, if you can see. But we also make these vinyls in-house. They are adhesive. This is an adhesive vinyl, but we also make it in a heat transfer vinyl. So I made this shirt for Sky the other day to match her basket. So as you can see, this one is heat transfer and this one is adhesive. So you can have your cup, and your shirt to match, and even your Easter basket. So we can all coordinate. Y'all know I like to coordinate and keep it fly. So this is my way of keeping my baby fly for Easter. So I'm about to make her Easter basket. I have already pre-cut a lot of our materials so that we can make putting this thing together pretty easy. So, okay, I need this. I use these. This is nothing but like paper towel rolls. They actually are my vinyl rolls, but you can use a paper towel roll or noodles. And I just rubber band them together. And that's just to keep stuff straight while I apply. Because if not, it'll roll all over the place. And I don't really like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our Mickey Mouse. So that is him, this black vinyl. So we're going to weed Mickey out. Be careful when you're doing adhesive. Whenever I print adhesive vinyl, I always cut twice. Two or three times. Just because adhesive is a sticky material and sometimes it will adhere to your hands. And that's not really cool. So, we got Mickey all out. This is transfer paper for adhesive. There are two different types of transfer paper for it. Actually, there's several different transfer paper for adhesive. But the two that I'm going to talk about today is the clear and the opaque. They also have like very, very tacky one, a mid-grade and a low-grade. When I'm doing things, when I'm layering things, I always like to use our clear. I like to use my opaque when I'm doing like doors or decals on the car, stuff that you can move, because with the opaque, it's not very sticky. So what you can do is spray soapy water when you put your decal on and you can move it around. So it's actually kind of cool when you're using this opaque. On the other hand, with this clear one, you can't spray soapy water and just move it around. It doesn't work like that. So we are going to cut out a piece of our clear. And we're just gonna weed the carrier sheet off the top. Are y'all see? And we're gonna place the clear right on top of our Mickey Mouse. And this is a squeegee. I sell a pack with squeegees and weeding tools and a cutter, all in store at House of Vinyl. So we sell everything that you need in order to get this project done. So after you rub that across, so you can just rub it across, you're just gonna lift it off. Y'all see that? Perfecto. See it transferred into the clear sheet? All right, now I'm gonna get our rolls. And I'm gonna put it in place. All right, perfect. And I'm just gonna lay our Mickey Mouse right onto the basket. I got these baskets from the Dollar Tree. When they were $1.25, y'all know the Dollar Tree not really $1 anymore. It's $1.25, but it was still $1. So I got these baskets from there. I suggest if you get you a basket from there, make sure you get one that's smooth. The one that I chose and picked up has like little ridges on it, so it just makes it a little harder to deal with and work with. If I was to go and do this all over again, I would get one that was smooth. Although I knew better, I just really liked the way this one looked. So that's why I went with it. And I will throw this away because whenever I use the clear transfer paper, it only lasts that one stick. This is our fine point weeding tool. that I was telling y'all about that comes in that pack. And I forgot to weed something, so I'm just getting it inside of little Mickey's nose. All right, so the next piece on our puzzle is Mickey Mouse's, let's do his ears. Let's do Mickey Mouse's ears. And you could do this two ways. Either you could cut it and transfer it, weed it and transfer it. Me, I like to just pull the stickers out and just place them right where they go. But if you feel like you are not that steady and that doesn't work very well for you, you can definitely do it exactly like I did the black, where I weeded it out and I used a transfer paper to transfer it, then to apply. When I apply Sky's name, I'm gonna use transfer paper because her name is in all those different pieces. And if I just go ahead and just apply piece by piece, it may not be straight, and I don't want that. Y'all see, isn't that cute? And then this piece. Okay, little Mickey is coming along, baby. And this is Mickey. This is not Minnie because we don't have no bow. This is Mickey is hot. My baby liked Mickey Mouse. When she was younger, she really didn't, but nowadays she liked Mickey. And we cut this mirror, this halo adhesive. I got glasses on here. I know y'all can't see, but I'm just gonna pull the glasses off. And I'm gonna stick these glasses right on top of these black ones. If you don't want, I wanted it to look like a layered effect, like a double effect. So that's why I'm gonna keep this black down. So they look like some Ray-Bans or something. You know how the Ray-Bans had a little black at the top. I know, guys, I'm extra. I be doing too much. Let me put this right here so it stays in place while I put that down. Oh man, come on, guys. All right. It's coming, little Mickey coming along cute, y'all. All right, and then we're gonna do Sky's name now. And this is why I said I'm gonna use transfer paper again to do Sky's name. All right. So like I said, I weave from the outside in. I always tell y'all that. Don't weave from the inside because that's a problem. So when I do names, I always use transfer paper. And I always keep a trash can by me because I like a tidy, nice, neat area to work in. If y'all saw the rest of my table, you will be upset with me. So y'all can see me transfer. The carrier sheet. It's a clear sheet on top and then the carrier sheet. And we're just gonna pull that out. This part is trash. Lay it right on top of the Sky. Use our squeegee. And that is it. I'm gonna lift it up. Y'all see? Okay. Oh man, I forgot. Okay, so before I lay this piece on, well, you know what? I could just lay it on. I don't even need to outline it. I was gonna outline it in black, but it doesn't need to be outlined in black. Sky is just fine with this. You can see that very well. Just lay it right on. All right. And I'm just gonna add some bunnies and stuff to this just to let it be a little bit more festive for my baby. Let's go. Where my bunnies at? Where my bunnies at? Here they go. Here they... Oh, I'm sorry. I'll just be making up songs. This is what be going on in my head, y'all. The life of a crafter. Little tunes going around in your head when you crafting. All right. And I place our bunnies. because it has that transfer sheet on it. And I use the carrier sheet for the bunnies also because I want them to stay in line. And I think I want one of my bunnies to be different. I'm gonna put one of my bunnies in this halo. So he's gonna go here. And I'm gonna offset him just a little bit so that he look 3D. The hearts. They little tails are hearts, y'all. So I just gotta make sure I add the little accent. My baby pays attention to detail a lot, so it's important. So she has her little Mickey bunny basket. I'm gonna add some bunnies to this basket. Let's add some bunnies. I feel like we need some bunny action. We got these little peeps. I'll make some peep stickers. Put them over at the tops. Now you always gotta have the bunnies at Easter, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is Sky's Easter basket. Oh wait, we can put some little paws. I got paws too, y'all. Let's see. Some bunny paws. I know I'm just adding stuff, but y'all get the gist of this. Y'all get the gist of making your kids' custom Easter baskets. These are very inexpensive to do. The adhesive vinyl is only probably like $5 in vinyl, $1 for the basket, $1.25 for the basket. This halo adhesive, this is like $3.49, and our custom vinyl, this is I think $3.49 also. Our regular black vinyl is $1, so $3.49, $7, $8. So $8 in vinyl, $10, and you got your whole custom Easter basket. And to be honest with you, you could do it cheaper than that, because if you want to do a couple different color regular sheets, they're only 99 cents. So you can get a bunch of those for 99 cents. It's just that our custom sheets cost a little bit more because we do it in-house. And then these specialty pretty things, they come in all of these different, y'all see this green? Oh my God, they come in so many different beautiful colors. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of the True Crafting Crew. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you can see when my next video drops. Bye guys.